Today's lecture is wave energy. Learning objective in this chapter, the availability of world energy worldwide, the relationship between wave properties and energy, the type of wave energy device, the design of oscillatory acting water column and the property of well turbines, the use of floating and pitching device for wave energy generation, the use of wave focusing device, wave power at different locations worldwide. The figure shows wave power at various locations. Powers are average annual value in kilowatt per meter of wave front. So this number shows the power uh, per meter of wave front. So as you can see here, Scotland, Portugal, Australia, Hawaii has abundant source of wave energy. So in this reason, there is active development of uh, wave energy. Analysis of energy associated with the wave. This figure shows cross section of a wave on the surface of the ocean. So this is surface of the ocean. Energy is both kinetic due to movement of water and potential due to geometry of wave surface. How to calculate the potential wave energy? The mass per unit length of half a sinusoid is like this. So what is L? L is the length of wavefront, unit length of wavefront. So this is L, and the height of the center of gravity above the surface is like this. How to derive this equation? You can find them in physics book, so they shows correctly how to derive it, and if you have a curiosity in them, go back to physics book. And potential energy per unit length will be like that. Delta H is twice this value. Why? Because the height of the gravity is in here, will be there, so this is H. That's why delta H is 2H. It's simple. Total wave energy. It can be shown that wave's kinetic energy is equal to its potential energy, so the total wave energy will be like that. Wave power. The wavelength of a wave is related to its period by this equation. Thus, the energy per unit length is like this, and the power per unit length is here. Several different designs of wave power device has been utilized. Oscillating water column, floating and pitching device, wave focusing devices. Oscillating water column, onshore or nearshore device. So this figure shows oscillating water column developed by the one company in Australia that is anchored near shore. Its power production is about 500 kilowatt. This schematic shows of oscillating water column, and this is the direction of water, and this is a seabed, and this is water surface. So when there is a wave comes to the through entrance, and it fills oscillating water columns. This is a front wall, and this is the air column. When it comes in, the surface goes up, and the air column moving. So as it moves, it operates the generator, so it can produce electricity. When wave comes down, air, the movement to air will be reversed and go to this direction. This is a design of oscillating water column turbine generating assembly. So this is air, air side, and this is water chamber side. This figure shows the details of the generator assembly of an oscillating water column. The wave chamber is to the right in the figure. So in this system, the turbine must turn in the same direction no matter which way the column of the air is moving. For this purpose, we can use variable pitch turbine. So it is one of bidirectional turbine, and the other one is Wells turbine. The Wells turbine is a simpler design for bidirectional turbine. It looks like that. So this is a water moving up and down, and no matter how the air direction, the air the turbine direction will be the one direction. Floating and pitching device. This figure shows Pelamis prototype machine on site at European Marine Energy Center of Onki, and this offshore device that moves up and down with wave. The Pelamis has been one of the most successful. Designs of Pelamis. The Pelamis is made in several hinged sections. So this figure shows Pelamis in the vertical, top view, and horizontal direction. Pressing the hinge pump hydraulic fluid through turbine to drive generator. So this is a hinge, and hinge movement drive generator in it. Wave focusing device. In a wave focusing device, wave travels up a ramp and then flow back into the ocean through the turbine or generator. Designs are typically moored a few kilometers offshore. The Wave Dragon is an example of a wave focusing device. So this figure shows a schematic of Wave Dragon. Wave direction. So this figure shows a schematic of Wave Dragon. A is a side view and B is top view. So wave build up and comes into the here, and this is a water reservoir, and there is a turbine and generator. So as wave goes up and it comes down to the here, and it operates turbine and produce electricity. This is a photograph of a wave dragon. Summary: wave power can be as much as 100 kilowatt per meter of wave front in some part of the world. Wave energy comes equally from the kinetic and potential energy associated with water. Wave power device can be characterized as oscillating water column, floating and pitching device, wave focusing device. An ambitious wave power development program might be able to produce a few percent of total world energy needs. Thank you for your watching. See you next class.